Originally, the RBDE 560S, also known as the Dominos, were ordered by SBB between 1987 and 1995. At that time, they did not yet carry the Domino nickname, but were referred to as Colibri by French-speaking regions due to their former blue, yellow, red and white livery. In German-speaking regions, they were known as NPZ, as they were part of the Neuer Pendelzug project, meaning new shuttle trains in English. Between 2008 and 2013, a major refurbishment campaign was carried out to modernize most of the train sets, notably by replacing the intermediate car with low-floor Innova coaches. They would be equipped with air conditioning and a new paint scheme, and with a new look comes a new nickname. From then on, they would be called Domino. After the refurbishment, 16 sets were converted to the region Alp colors and renumbered from 401 to 416. One of them received a Canal 9 livery in 2022. Region Alp also operates 4 Nina units derived from the BLS model, which run on the Martigny-Orsières-Le Châble line to replace older, aging railcars. To better understand how the FLIRT Evo will significantly improve the daily experience of both passengers and Region Alp, let me first offer a brief comparison. But before that, why FLIRT Evo? FLIRT stands for Flinker Leichter Innovative Regional Triebzug, meaning an innovative, agile and lightweight regional train designed for regional services. The suffix Evo denotes a major technological evolution from the first FLIRT trains built by Stadler since 2004. First, capacity is higher with 325 seats versus 288 and 248 in older vehicles. The open, modern interior design features power outlets and spaces for people with reduced mobility. Performance-wise, the maximum speed now reaches 160 km per hour via thanks to improved traction, as well as a significantly reduced weight compared with the Dominos at just 129 tons empty. In terms of length, they remain within the standard at 73.5 meters. All 3 trains are equipped with automatic connectors. However, the FLIRT Evo trains use standardized Scharfenberg couplers like the Nina, whereas Domino trains have Schwab couplers. Regarding the number of trains, 27 new train sets were ordered to replace the 16 Domino and 4 Nina units. Ultimately, one of the primary reasons for the arrival of these FLIRT Evo trains is the age of the trains and their technological obsolescence. They will replace the Domino trains dating from 1987, so nearly 40 years old, and the Nina trains, which are over 20 years old.